Great Sitkin eruption. As of August 4 of 2024, there are currently 46 volcanoes which are actively erupting around the planet, a total which is 3 less than were erupting last week. Of these, the only volcano to be currently erupting in the United States is Alaska's remote Great Sitkin volcano. Located in the Aleutian Islands 26 miles east-northeast of the nearest populated settlement, the Great Sitkin volcano is currently undergoing its longest eruption on record, which has been ongoing for 1,167 days or 3.2 years. In this time span, a very large basaltic andesite lava dome has not only filled the western two-thirds of its summit caldera, but also spilled over and flowed downslope by as much as 3,600 feet. This eruption could continue for multiple more years, further changing the summit topography of the Great Sitkin volcano. And now, here are this week's top volcano-related news stories. This week's top stories: in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the Nyamuragira Shield volcano produced its largest eruption in 13 years, sending fluid lava flows in multiple directions up to 6.5 kilometers or 4 miles from its source vent. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, the Taal volcano erupted 3 times, with each eruption being confined to its highly acidic central crater lake. And, in What Is This Kelimutu Unrest Week's top story, Indonesia's Kelimutu volcano is experiencing its highest level of unrest in more than 50 years, causing notable changes in the appearance of its 3 prominent crater lakes. Located on the island of Flores, the Kelimutu volcano is most well known for its aforementioned highly acidic crater lakes, which heavily are affected by any volcanic unrest, changing in color, temperature, and appearance during these episodes. And Kelimutu has been experiencing such an episode of unrest since May 15, with this unrest seemingly accelerating since August began. While the unrest initially only affected 2 of Kelimutu's 3 lakes, since July 14 all 3 lakes have vastly changed in color, with, for example, the Nua Muri Kutai crater going from green to grayish teal and foam blue. Otapolo has experienced even more drastic color changes, going from turquoise to blue-gray and then light and dark brown. All of these color changes are caused by increased hotter than typical geothermal water coming from depth that contains abundant sulfur and associated elements, with this material likely being heated by shallow magma, although probably indirectly. The more particulates that fill these craters, the darker and murkier they become. While all 3 crater lakes have had their temperatures rise, it has been most drastic at Nua Muri Kutai, going from around 33 to 41 degrees Celsius and causing a sustained 100-meter high degassing plume to rise from it. Alongside this, the rate of volcanic earthquakes has also increased.